There's a Swan Valley Diner we can go to. They're open until, well, they're open till 9 o'clock, so we've got plenty of time. Cool. I'll just double check. What's yours? Because I'm pretty sure yours has come across my feed. I don't know whether or not if I followed you back.
Cool.
So
Oh, maybe I don't know if you want to follow me or not, but
no, you're good. No. So yeah, you'll know mine.
I'll go on it now. Awesome. Oh, nice meeting you.
Yeah, likewise, man.
Nice meeting you.
Hopefully next time we'll be on track with you then.
Yeah, I'll see you next time doing group 1.
Yeah, slow ease in. Yeah.
No, awesome guys.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you.
Good rest of your day.
You too. Man. Alrighty, it was a nice little track day. I think one of these days soon I need to get myself a suit and bring my baby down here to have a little bit of fun. Because from what I understand, it's about 270 bucks your first go on the track, because there's classes and all that kind of stuff. So I most definitely will be needing to take that introductory kind of thing. So yeah, stay tuned. Track day maybe. Haha. Only thing is I won't be able to use my helmet mounted camera due to safety reasons and regulations for the track. But I will be able to put mount it on the bike somewhere, and maybe if I have an Insta360 camera by then, yeah, we can see essentially. You know, we saw some really nice bikes. I got taken away by one of the RSV4s that rolled up. It wasn't racing, but yeah, they were just there. Oh, these guys. Oh, their car's having problems.
Right. One of the positives was loose.
Oh, right.
So it's not fully holding charge, but
We're going to take the coast home so that we don't cut out on the freeway.
It's a good idea. It's a good idea.
Once it's moving, it's gonna be okay, right?
No, we were moving.
It died on them while they were moving.
And it just stopped.
Righto. Have a safe drive. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. I ain't waiting, I'm just gonna go. Well, that's eventful. Yeah, their car battery died on them. Old cars, it's just part of the course. Papa pops. Ooh. It's like the classic American diner drive-through. Further ado, everybody, thank y'all for tuning in for another episode with your boy on his Street Fighter. So, you know the usual stuff and things that every YouTuber says. Drop me that sub, drop me that like, and help me rise. But yeah, thank you all again for always being so supportive to me and my channel, with all the likes and views and everything that y'all do. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace, ride safe, and remember, deuces.